One of PineGrow's most powerful features is the ability to edit a page while simultaneously viewing it at multiple screen sizes. We can add a new page view by clicking this icon. Now we can see our page displayed in two different layouts, side by side. Notice that when you select an element in one view, it's also selected in the other. Let's adjust the panels to give ourselves a bit more room to work. Our goal here is to improve the mobile layout. On the desktop view, the author's image is nicely placed next to the text. However, on the mobile view, the image appears below all the text. It would look much better if the image was positioned above the text on smaller screens. To fix this, let's select the column that contains the image. In the Properties panel, we'll find the column's controls. These powerful controls allow us to set responsive properties like size, offset, and order for each breakpoint. For the extra small, let's change the order to first. This moves the image to the top on our mobile view, which is exactly what we wanted. However, this change also affects the medium-sized view, which we don't want. To correct this, we'll set a specific order just for the medium, or MD breakpoint. Let's set its order to last. Perfect. The image column is now correctly positioned at the top for small screens, and it remains on the right for medium screens and larger. Let's turn off the visual helpers to get a cleaner look at our design. The mobile layout is much improved, but it could use a little space below the image to separate it from the text. In the spacing section, let's set the bottom margin to 3. This adds a nice gap on the mobile view, but we don't need this extra margin on larger screens. So let's open the MD spacing controls. And here we can set the bottom margin for this breakpoint back to 0. This is a great example of how you can use PineGrow's responsive controls. By clicking on the different breakpoint labels, you can apply specific styles that only take effect at that screen size and above. This makes creating complex, responsive layouts incredibly intuitive. We've successfully created a responsive layout for this section. Now that our work is done, we can close the extra page view to return to a single view. Let's complete this step and move on.